Hey man, it's Nick the Harley guy.
What's up, man? Good. What's going on?
Yeah, we're here to pick up a bike, a home bike, man.
Okay, cool. Hell yeah. I got the best job in the world.
No, I don't know, man. I think I do.
No, I get to hang out and look around these bikes all day long, get to ride them.
Yeah, but I get to take him and deliver them to the guy, put a smile on his face because I'm taking his new bike to him.
I get to go over and deliver the new bikes to them. First time they get to ride that bike's when I'm with them.
Yeah, but the first time they get to ride it on their own without you watching them is when I'm with them.
All right. We both have pretty good jobs.
All right, I'll agree with that.
That'll work.
If you guys want to get a new bike, come and see Nick the Harley guy here at Fort Wayne Harley Davidson.
Appreciate that, guys. And check out this guy. He works for Daily Direct. Anytime we do have a bike that we need shipped across country, you guys are heading to South Dakota, North Dakota?
Yep.
Here from Indiana. So if you guys are looking for a company to do that for you, these are the guys that do it. That's who we use.
Appreciate it, man.
Of course, dude.
Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street. With Mary Jane, good cocaine, plenty down there to eat. You can double down, throw some dice, you can take off now, don't think twice. But hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, come on. Tell me where you wanna go. But baby, I don't work down there anymore. No, I don't. Get back, get on track, jump on and ride this thing. Double down, roll the dice, take off now, don't think twice. Hey, don't you wanna play? Say hey, don't you wanna play?
All right, so that's loading 12 bikes, 11 bikes. We unloaded 25, 26. Heading east this time. Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, Illinois. What year was this one?
73.
'73 Honda XR, or XR 75. She does the work one, I do the YouTube one.
You put it on YouTube?
Yep. Oh, Z50 limited edition monkey. What year was this one?
2006.
76.
06. 2006.
Oh, it's a 2006. It's
but it's never been dealer prepped. Never ran.
Oh, really?
Castor oil in it. Coming home buying new parts. Yep. Turn on and start.
With it off and then hit your 2 blinkers at the same time. Flash 3 times.
Okay.
That's your transport mode. So now when you're going down the road, the alarm's not going off basically. It's not flashing and doing all the other crazy stuff with it.
Very nice.
That's how you can save your battery.
Okay.
If you want me to, and if you want to just.
My old pant leg up there.
Yep. 2016 CVO. '23 throwback replica. The Electric Glide.
This is paperwork.
For the which one?
I'm not sure how to pronounce his last name, but it's
Oh,
right
the
there.
16. Okay.
Yeah.
This here. Can you guys mail this to him? Because I got no place to put that on the bike, and I can't, really take the paperwork.
Okay.
Unless they can, if they can somehow secure it, they'll want to, put it in here or something where it ain't gonna fall out.
Okay. 1 second.
'16 Dyna Wide Glide.
This is what you're after, right? I got took it from you.
The other paperwork that she just brought out,
Yeah.
we got no. Okay, I don't know if you guys.
Mail it to him, no big deal.
Here at Harley and Harley Davidson, where I bought one of my bikes. '73 Honda CB 750.
And that one's about as original as you get, really, besides the tires and the battery.
Yeah. Yeah, we're standing here with the seller. He says it's all pretty much original, other than the batteries and the tires. Pretty good looking, clean bike. Or do your video. We can do it. We can probably do it right here, and we don't have to go down. 2023 Anthem. What year is it? You say this was 66? 64. 64 Triumph Bonneville.
Yeah, I've had that thing since '77.
Did you restore it, or I
Yeah.
mean, you just
Yeah.
you did?
I did it myself. I mean, it ain't perfection, I told him, but it's, you know, it wouldn't take too much to get it perfection. But anyhow.
Pretty much all original though, or?
Yeah, I got it, except the pipes. That they had high pipes on them. I didn't like the way they looked, so I just put them TT pipes on there. But you know, everything else is pretty well. The kickstand, I told him I made that kickstand. It looks kind of spindly, but it works. But I told him I was going to put about a 3/4 inch round one on there and make another one for it sometime. But anyhow, all in all, 60 years old. I guess it ain't too bad shape.
The speedometer, I mean, is that replaced or is that original?
Oh, that's a replacement.
Okay.
That's
I say
since-
264 miles.
That's since I restored it.
Okay,
And that
200
was back in like 2000 when I did that. So I don't ride it much. I just ride
Okay.
them twice a year, get them out and run them up and down the road, and that's about it.
Brings me back to my young days.
Yeah, they're cool, aren't they?
Yeah. I used to have a little Indian too.
And this is the Z50, right? Z50 69, restored by JT Vintage Restorations.
These little ones I used to. Especially the
People are starting to realize that people actually want them. 3 or 4 years ago, you could find a dozen.
WR80ST.
83 BMW R80 ST. Well, the wife might be a little mad at me. I didn't realize that she had to walk all the way up there to check in. She's making her way back though. I don't see nobody pushing a bike. She waved though, so she must not be too mad. She's smiling, so she ain't too mad. '71 Husqvarna 400 Cross. A world champion replica.
Sweden.
Wow. 2011 CVO. Different looking horn cover. Speakers in the lowers. Customized lower forks. It's like 14-inch handlebars.
What year is it? 2017 with 7,000 miles.
Nice.
Bought it for $6,800.
2017 Victory.
7,000 miles.
Victory Hammer with 7,000 miles on it.
Allbikes.com.
And a happy customer.
Yeah. Looks great, guys.
Right?
All right, we're out here with Nick, the Harley guy.
What's up, guys?
Fort Wayne Harley Davidson.
Yes, sir.
Wanted to talk to him. He's got a pretty good TikTok channel, YouTube channel. Get a little information about the store. See what you do.
Definitely. Yeah, so Harley Davidson Fort Wayne, we're top rated in the Indiana, and we were top, 50, 75 in the nation. The cool thing with us, if you guys watch my videos, we do business a little bit different here, and everyone says that, but at the end of the day, I get a lot of people come here and tell us that we do. We've been here, I think we took over from the last place. It actually became Harley Davidson Fort Wayne in 2015. I started here in 2019, took a little break in 20 and came back. I started as a fitness specialist, so basically what a fitness specialist is, it's gonna fit you to that bike, the right bike the first time. A lot of places to sling that bike to try to make a sale. The way we do business is not like that. Obviously my goal is to make a sale, how I make my living, but at the end of the day, if you're on the wrong bike and you got a bad experience, you're not gonna come back to see me. So getting on the first bike the first time is the right bike, the right way to do it. So yeah.
I like one of the things that you say in your videos too. I was talking to Pinky earlier, you know what I mean? If you're worried about resale value, you're not on the right bike.
100%.
You know what I mean? And that's, I tell her all the time, you know what I mean? It's customizing it and making it your own. It ain't for resale,
No.
it's for making it your own and a comfortable ride.
If you sit down, especially for my job, if I sit down with somebody and they're worried about resale value or what something's gonna do to their bike, if they put it on it and about value, they're on the wrong bike. The funnest part about owning a Harley is the customization of it, making it your own, self-expression. The whole culture behind Harley is getting out and the freedom behind it, and along with that is expressing yourself. So if you like the big pointy bars in the cup holder, that's cool, dude. If you like T-bars, that's cool. If you ride a Sportster, that's cool. Like, I make a lot of funny videos, and everyone thinks I'm being mean and calling people out. I made videos on my own bike, made fun of my own bike. So it's all about having fun, expressing yourself in any way you want, and having fun while you do it.
And you said the dealership here now has been Fort Wayne Harley Davidson since 15?
Yes, I believe it's 2015.
Okay.
Yep. Family owned. It's called the Shipper Family. They came from north side of Indy. They were hog farmers, which is kind of funny. They were hog farmers. Now they sell these hogs. But they got out of the farming thing and got involved in some other dealerships, and through the time they ended up buying their own. Bluegrass Harley Davidson, Louisville, Kentucky is one of the other stores. That's the mothership, we call it. That's the big one. They just got a new building put up last year or the year before. It's huge. Two-story. They got an elevator in there, dude. They got an upstairs showroom. If you get a chance down there, go check out Bluegrass Harley Davidson.
And you said that's the 2 stores that they own?
So we own Bluegrass Harley Davidson, Evansville Harley in Evansville, Indiana, and Doc's Harley in St. Louis, Missouri.
Okay.
So we got 4 stores right now.
All right. What about, I see you guys got one of the few things you don't see in a lot of dealerships is the glass in the shops.
Oh,
You can
yeah.
actually see things being done.
Yeah, that's huge. Transparency is big for us. I know a lot of dealerships won't let people go back to the service department. We'll look at their bike getting worked on, and that's just dumb. Like, if you're paying somebody to get your stuff worked on, especially me, I'm particular.
Oh, yeah.
That's big. So yeah, you can look through the window in there, look and see what's going on. We used to have cinder blocks that blocked off around the edges. We knocked those down so you can see all the way through. And if you get one of us, the people that work here, we'll bring you right back to the service department so you can actually see it get worked on. If you have any questions, get you with the technician. If you have any questions with the technician, I'll talk to you. So yeah.
And what about, do you have anything as far as like Saturday, first in, first out service kind of things? Is it all scheduled related? Or?
It kind of depends. So our service department is pretty busy. We got different programs that you can actually get in there and you can do priority maintenance. So 48-hour priority maintenance. So if you call us within 48 hours, we'll have a lift for you. Summertime, it's hard. You know what I mean? If you're passing through and you're coming through and you're going on a trip, we got a lot of people during Sturgis that stop here just to see the dealership, and some people need oil changes and tires. We'll get you in and get you out pretty quick.
I did notice you had a fast pass or
Fast track.
Fast track. Is that
our-
just dealership only kind
That's
of thing?
for us, yes.
Okay.
So what it's a VIP service treatment. So basically, winter storage. There's a bunch of different options on bike cleanings, pickup, free delivery, and there's options for being able to prepaid maintenance. So oil changes and things like that will be covered by the dealership. So there's different programs to fit everybody's needs. So one deal might be good to one person, the other person it might not be that good for them. So there's a lot of things that we can do to cater to people's specific needs. Yeah.
All right, anything else from Nick the Harley guy?
Come out and see me.
All right, man, appreciate it. Yeah, right here at Fort Wayne Harley Davidson, looking and waiting on Nick the Harley guy. Trying to get him to do the walk around, but he's pretty slammed today. This is a 2020 limited. Street Glide 114